Difference between section and article. Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss one of the most confusing HTML interviews question. What is the difference between section and article? So some use only div, some replace every section with an article, but professionals developer understand that these two tags have completely different purpose. Let's understand this with a real world example. So imagine you are reading a newspaper. The newspaper is divided into different categories: sports, technology, business, internet, entertainment. So these categories organize similar type of news. Now let's focus on the technology section. Inside that section you might find multiple news articles. For example, Apple launches new iPhone, Google introduces new AI models, Microsoft release Windows update. So notice something, the technology page groups related content, but each news story can also exist independently. You can share one article with your friend without sending the entire newspaper. That's exactly how section and article works. So let's look at the code. Section is technology news, right? So the section tag groups related content together. Think of it as a category or a chapter. So now inside the section we have some Apple launches new iPhone, right? So and this is one complete article. It has its own headings, its own content, and it makes sense even if you remove it from the page. That's the biggest difference. Now let's understand another real world example. Imagine YouTube. The homepage has section like trending, gaming, music, education. Each of these is a section. Now each individual video is like an article. You can watch on video independently. You don't need the entire section. That's why article present self-contained content. Now many beginners ask, can I use div instead? Yes, the page will still work, but here is the difference. A div tells the browser I am just a container. A section tells the browser this is the meaningful part of the page. An article tells the browser this is an independent piece of content. So this is called semantic HTML. So you are not just writing code for the browser, you are writing code for search engines, screen readers, other developers. Now let's answer the interview question. What is the difference between section and articles? A section groups related content under one theme. Okay, an article contains independent content that can stand on its own. One important thing to remember: every article can belong to a section, but not every section contain article. For example, a contact us section, an about us section, a services section. These are sections, but they are not article because they are not independent content that you would publish separately. So one lesson I have learned in web development is this: beginner focuses on making a website looks good. Professionals developer focus on making website meaningful. That's why semantic HTML is becoming one of the most important interview topics today. So thank you for watching. So thank you.